I have curly hair and I love having curly hair. Sometimes though, I touch my hair the wrong way, it goes crazy. Then I gotta throw it up. But you know, this is why I have a list of easy hairstyles up my sleeve for when my hair is being really stubborn or when the weather isn't great and I don't want my hair flying in my face. And guess what, friends? I'm gonna show you them right now. Now, if you're looking for a more romantic messy bun, this is a different way that I do mine. I basically just gather my hair, I pull it all really high on the top of my head, and then I put it in a bun, and I just left some pieces out in the front of my forehead, and I also left some pieces out at the ends of my bun. Then I went ahead and arranged the bun. I just arrange it to your liking. And then once your bun is arranged, you just want to take some of those ends that you left out and start pulling them towards your forehead to almost create the illusion of bangs. Now, I prefer to pull some down just a little bit towards like the side of my head, but if you like a lot on your face, then you can pull down a lot more. I also pull down some curls at the nape of my neck, in front of my ear. Just keep pulling until you're happy, and this is how mine turned out. I just love it. You can wear it with casual clothes, dressy clothes. It's like a curly messy bun, but with sugar added to it. You know what I mean? Cute. Now, for an adorable hairstyle, well, I think it's cute. I'm just gonna split my hair in half. Then with one side, I'm just gonna start at my forehead and I'm gonna start twisting my hair away from my forehead. So I'm just doing a twisting and tucking motion all the way until I get to the very back of my head. And then afterwards, I'm gonna take a hair tie and I'm just going to tie my hair up into a messy bun. Then what I like to do is take bobby pins and I just kind of pin it down to hold it in place. Wherever my hands are holding down, that's where I pin it with bobby pin. And then once your buns are secure, you can, pull down some little curls if you want to, make it all cute. And that's it. Super cute, fun, curly space buns. Now, a similar hairstyle to the previous post, you're going to do the twist thing again. So what you're going to do is twist and tuck, except for you're going to go downwards towards the nape of your neck instead of upwards. Wherever you want your ponytail to land, that's where you always twist towards. Anyways, I put it in a ponytail and that was it. I love this look because you can literally do it anywhere. All you need is 2 hair ties and it looks so cute. One of my favorite hairstyles, all you want to do is just take a section of hair at the top of your head and put it in a ponytail. Then you want to do the topsy-turvy move, which is just split it in half and push the ponytail through. And then my nails need help. And then afterwards, you want to make a ponytail underneath that, the first pony, and you want to create a second topsy-turvy pony. But this time, when you're done, you're going to pull a top pony through. Then I make a third pony, do the exact same thing, pull all of it through. Then at the end, I'm just going to secure the end of my ponytail braid, and I'm going to topsy-turvy that as well. And that is it. So if you're not good at braiding, this is the cutest hairstyle for you. And I just love it because it has a lot of volume and it's simple. Now, if you want a vibey low ponytail, all you want to do is take a section of hair around your face and go ahead and braid it. Now, you can do a French braid, you can do a Dutch braid, whatever you want to do, a regular braid, just braid it. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and pull it backwards like so and just put it in a ponytail. And that's it. It just gives you more of an interesting, cute ponytail instead of just pulling it back. But you can just pull it back too. Up to you. I love half up, half down styles. They're my faves. I'm going to show you one. It's so easy. Just take the top layers of your hair and put it in a hair tie. Then afterwards, you want to split your little pony, separate it like that, give it an opening so that you can take and pull your pony through it. And it'll just give it like a different look than just a regular ponytail. And then tighten it. You can pull some of the pieces up to give it a little more volume, and that's it. I mean, this took me 30 seconds to do. So for a cute little effortless hairstyle, just start by taking 2 small sections of hair that frame your face, sort of twist them and pull them back. Then with a mini clip like this, just secure the 2 sections together and return back to your face. Then grab a second section a little bit lower than the first one and just do the exact same thing with another clip. And that's it. And fun fact, I actually learned this hairstyle from a Friends episode a long time ago, the cooking class teacher. And I just love this hairstyle for when you don't have a lot of time or when you want your hair out of your face but still want your length. Now this one is more of a little like boho style. All I do is just split my hair in half and put it in a messy bun. Then afterwards, from the bottom portion, I just grab a section of hair and then I braid it. Now I have these little hair cuffs that I got on Amazon for like $5. So what you want to do is just open the hair cuff and then put it, on your braid and then just close it up and it stays. It does not move. And I have 2 cuffs on each side. And I just love how this looks with so many of my outfits, and it takes like 5 minutes to do. Now, out of all these hairstyles, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'm curious to know. Also, let me know what videos you want to see from me during the holidays. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn my notifications on to see when I upload, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys so much. Bye.